Cub Scouts. So this is my dad's old uniform. Today, I'm going to make a toilet paper roll owl. To make the owl, you're going to need a toilet paper roll, some crayons, a scissor, a pencil, some glue, and some paint, and of course a paintbrush. The first step to making the owl is put your toilet paper roll down like this, and put your finger on the middle and push it down, and put so it's kind of like you can like a U, so you can put your finger down and you can go back up. Do the same thing to the other side, and you should have owl-like ears. So, it wouldn't be really fun if we just left it and put some eyes and nose and, wings on. So, we're going to paint it. Of course, you can choose any color you want, but I'm going to choose blue. Because I want to make it, like this one. Because I was going to say, I make it similar. Now, I'm going to put the owl's features on. I'm gonna cut them, color them, and glue them on. But of course, first draw them. But you can, but instead of just having to glue them on, you can also draw them on. But if you want, for the eyes, if you want to make it look white, when you paint it, you could leave a circle. You could draw a circle on the thing, and then don't paint that in. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to put on my owl. So I colored this, and I traced my pencil lines with black, so it kind of stands out. So this is my owl belly. These are my eyes. I'm going to put them both looking one way, so it looks extra cool. My yellow beak, and my two sea green wings. Okay, so I glued all the pieces on, and this is my finished product owl. You can get closer and see this one. So I had so much fun making this with you guys. So thanks for doing this.